When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the LEGO Stores Advent Calendar, guys. Today on day number 24, the final build for this series. Let's get on with it. And so there's, guys, the final build. It is in fact a Christmas porg, which is really adorable. Look, there is the Christmas porg. Hey guys, that's day number 24. We are now finished here. The rest builds over here. I will be ranking them all tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.